Hi guys, welcome back to the last part of this fruit falling tutorial. Okay, I am just going to add two important things in this game to make it a complete game. But before I start with this, let's quickly play the game once and see what things we have finished till now. So as you see, I have added a platform, we added a fake base, we have lives over here, we have scoreboard. These are the two messages which will appear if you lose or you win. And in the beginning, they are hidden because we have added an event at the beginning of the scene. So just let's play and check. So I'm going to play this game. I'm going to try to play it genuinely, but if I lose, okay, I lost it. My own game and I lost it so quickly. Amazing. So guys, it's okay. I'm sure when you will make this game and play, you will really enjoy and maybe you'll cross the highest score. But for now, let's continue with this. So what I want to add here is once you lose or you win, immediately after this message, you should get two options: replay option or you should get quit option, right? Only then this game becomes complete. So let's do that. For that, we will need two sprites. So I'm going to download, just take pictures. So replay uh, animated PNG pictures, and let's see what the search gives us. So images, okay, not bad. What do you think about this? If this is PNG, I'm taking it. Yes, it is PNG. So I'm going to save this. And I have already explained you in the previous tutorial how to find authentic or how to check whether the given file is actual PNG file or not. So I'm going to save it as replay. Okay, yeah. And I also want a quit game. Okay, no, I don't know what came, but quit game animated. Okay, I don't know what they are showing. Let's go back to Google search and then quit playing. God, I'm not getting a good one. Let's do one thing. Let's make this on our physical. So I'm going to add an object sprite and I'm going to name it as quit for now, and add an animation, edit with Piscal. I think this is faster sometimes, but you should be a good artist like me. Okay, I know most of you are laughing right now when I said artist because you have all seen my basket, how interesting and amazing it was. But trust me, I'm going to try my best to make a good, oh God, please make a good cross. This is like, you quit the game. Yeah, okay, okay, not bad. Save it. Guys, this is looking artistic, trust me. So I'm going to apply this for now, and let's keep it here somewhere and make it bigger. Okay, there we are. And the replay button looks amazing, so I'm just going to take that one which we downloaded from the internet, replay, and add. We just need to see where it has saved here. Okay, apply. Just take it here, make it slightly smaller. You can also just write a text directly rather than putting pictures, or take a button. If you see, I have also in one of the videos I have taught you how to make animated buttons. So just make a nice animated button for replay and for this, and the code will remain the same. So let's start coding. I guess some of you already might have got some idea. We have covered this type of codes where you have to bring the mouse or the cursor on a particular sprite, and when it is pressed, the left key is pressed, some action should happen. So this is the same code, guys. I'm going to do it. So let's quickly not waste time. Of course, one main thing is in the beginning of the scene, these two things should not be seen. They should be seen only when either you lose or you win, right? So again, we need to take care of that. So I think that should be the first thing we should be doing. So at the beginning of the scene, I'm going to, I'm going to hide. Okay, just go to this, and this one should be hidden. Okay, and also the replay one should be hidden. Okay, let's check if this is working. No, just to be sure. Yeah. So now what we have to do is we have to make them visible when either you win or you lose. So losing is here, right? Sorry, guys. So quit should be shown, and even replay should be shown. Same code I need to copy and paste it where we were doing the winning thing. So we just need to find the winning one. Where is it gone? Yeah, here, right? So I'm going to paste this and even the other one. Okay, and obviously just okay, let's see if this works. So I'm not going to play, literally just let it fall, and either I lose or I win. If I can see the buttons, yes I can, but right now I can't really click on that because I have not coded for them. So let's code for them now. So add a new event, so adding a new event, and the condition here is when this button, okay, when the quit button, so when the quit button has the cursor on it, so we'll go to quit button and then we will go to this option. When cursor is on this object, click on OK, and at the same time, when the key on the where the cursor's left key is pressed, or the left side of the cursor is pressed, right? So we'll go to other condition, we'll go to mouse and touch, mouse button press held. Normally we use the primary one. I have already explained this in my previous beginner tutorials in depth. So if you want to go and watch that again, here I'm quickly adding the action now. So if this condition is true, then what action do we want to do? We want to quit the game, right? So simply type here quit, and there's this option called as quit. Okay, quit the game. Sorry. So quit the game, and okay. Similarly, I'm going to uh, and the replay button and the cursor is on the replay button. So where is the replay button gone? Yes, the cursor is on this button. Then along with that, if the cursor is pressed, so left key pressed or left side pressed, then change the scene. Now I don't want to change the scene to any other scene. I have to simply replay or restart the game, right? So what I will do is I will do the change the scene thing only, but and you can also watch my previous tutorials. I have made a tutorial on this, how to change scenes from one scene to another. So change the scene, and this time I will get the name of the same scene that I'm playing right now, which is the main. And okay, and now let's see if this works. Okay, so I lost, and let's say I want to replay this game. So it starts again all over. Let me, I am so bad at this game, so I don't want to play it anymore. So I'm going to quit this. See, when you quit the game, it gets quit. The window will close, right? So this is how this game is completed now, guys. I hope you loved this whole series of fruit falling game tutorial. After this, I will be making multiple other tutorials as well. If you want any specific one, please write in the comment section and I will surely try to make it. Okay. Have a good day. Bye bye.